It's my experience of 10 years as High Commissioner for Refugees, being in some of the most dangerous areas in the world, that to gain the confidence of populations, to gain the confidence of communities, women peacekeepers, both military and police, are absolutely essential. And they can do things that us, men, are not able to do, gaining that confidence and creating conditions for a much more effective action of our peacekeeping units. With deployment of the first ever Pakistani female engagement team to South Kivu in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Pakistan is a leader in championing women peacekeepers and an example for other troop contributors.